Metadata Utility license registration. From the main switchboard, click on Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on Lookup Maintenance Switchboard, followed by clicking on License Management Switchboard, followed by clicking on License Management. This will open up the license management window. Once the license management window is opened, click on Add New, followed by clicking on the confirmation message to add or edit list. Click on Yes, which will set up the license management window in edit mode. Once in edit mode, simply double-click on the drop-down field and select Stage 1. Followed by clicking on License Manager. This will open up the license management window in which you can enter your license key. The first action will be selected as a default Always Activate. Proceed by entering your license key, which you received on your confirmation email, as well as the email address to which you received the confirmation key. And lastly, click on the Activate button at the bottom of the window. Once that has been clicked, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your license has been activated, and you will see your hardware ID listed on the box right below the activation window, as well as in the license management window. You will then also see your activated license key. For more information on any of the other features that we have built into Metadata Utility, feel free to click on any of our other videos that we have available, as well as to visit our website at metadatautility.com, where we have detailed step-by-step instructions on the many functionalities. We have a how-to section, have an FAQ section, as well as detailed step-by-step instructions how to perform many of the main feature functions that Metadata Utility offers. Thank you for watching.